Before the video starts, I just want to show you what's happening on NBC right now. Yeah, this freaks me out every time it goes on air. Alright, hi guys. Today we are going to be unboxing billboard extra bass earbuds. Now, it's stereo earbuds aligned with a line mic, and yeah, let's read the side. Billboard. Stereo is basically the first, same thing at the front. You get the little hologram sticker. This item is electronically protected. It has the earbuds and billboard logo. Both of the siders are same, so yeah. Cancer and reproductive harm. That's only like if you use this incorrectly. Anyways, so let's start. So let's do this. You gotta just like, yeah. Okay, this is pretty hard. So, whoops. I'm gonna have to hold it in between my legs because I'll throw that away. Okay. Now, oops. Okay. Okay. This is the sticker. You can see the little mark where the sticker used to be. Okay, now I think we can open it. Okay, I think we're starting to open it. Okay. I think we ripped this top part. And yeah, got it opened. We are going to open it. Here are the earbuds. This looks pretty cool. I'm not going to throw this away. I'm going to collect it just a second. Okay, let's read the manual. I have two hands, so I don't think I can really open it that much. Okay. I'll try my best to open this. Trying my best. Trying my best. Okay, I figured it out now. What you need to do is like, you gotta, yeah, because it's folded and like, so you need to open it a certain way. Got it opened. Okay, let's read this. Here, let's start with the functions. Yeah, I'm gonna try and zoom in. No, it's not gonna work here. Let's start with the functions. Here's the back, here's the front. Malfunction button is right there. And click and hold. Click, 3 clicks. Here's the control. Here's the microphone hole. And here are the 2 cords at the bottom. These are still the back and front cords. Anyways, this has warning, choking hazard, small parts not for children under 3 years. Alright. That's pretty good. Now, let's do the front. And then I kind of end this video off. Earbuds with built-in mic and playback control. Let's see. 2020 Billboard IP Holdings LLC, all rights reserved. Billboard RB right? I don't know. Billboard logo hot. Okay, we're not reading all this. Okay, these are A, B, C. Oh, this thing is the C. So, anyways, there's the earpiece parts. And yeah, I lost a lot of these earpieces, so these are good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash a like, subscribe, and when you subscribe, there should be a little like bell. You should click that too, okay? So, see you guys next time, and peace.